Hello everyone. Today I will be reading a book called I Heard, Said the Bird. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, that there's a new one coming. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, "What is the new one going to be?" They asked the duck, "Is the new one a duckling?" But the duck said no. They asked the pig, "Is the new one a piglet?" But the pig said no. They asked the goose and the hare. They asked the mouse and the mare. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everybody said no. "How do you know there's a new one coming?" said all the animals together. "I heard," said the bird. "How?" said the cow. "When?" said the hen. "Where?" said the mare. "In the house," squeaked the mouse. Just then a little boy came out. "What's going on?" he asked. "Well," the animals told him, "it's about the new one." "I heard," said the bird. "How?" said the cow. "When?" said the hen. "Where?" said the mare. "In the house," squeaked the mouse. "Yes," said the little boy. "Yes, what?" shouted all the animals. "Yes," said the little boy. "The new one is in the house." "And if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him." "Ooh!" cried all the animals together. Then very quietly the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. "It's a new baby," said the little boy whispered. "My word," said the bird. "And how?" said the cow. "Of course," said the horse. "I declared," said the hare.